Welcome to LumiQ. I'm your host, Junaid Ali, and today we're covering the top 5 productivity hacks for a finance professional in the lovely world of Excel. Now, I've come to realize that there are way too many Excel courses out there that cover general topics without any focus on value to the finance professional. Hence, this series was born, starting with productivity hacks that will help boost the way you work regardless of your industry. Now, I will start off with a confession. I'm an Excel nerd. It was the first program I was taught on a computer, and I've been hooked ever since. Whether it's budgets, financials, or planning a road trip, I've used Excel for just about everything. To give you context, 9.6% of the world has an iPhone, and 16% of the world uses Excel. Well, this goes to show you its value and popularity as an application. Now, Excel was created by Charles Simonyi to figure out the best way to crunch numbers and automate processes. And now it's become the world's go-to, from building Fortune 500 company dashboards to a simple comparison on what phone plan you should go with. Now, today we'll be covering the top 5 productivity hacks, including input data, error dashboard, macros, add-ins, and outline group and subtotal.